today I'm going to be testing out Blueland. This is a multi-surface cleaner, and this is the company. I've been pretty intrigued by this brand. First of all, they have super cute packaging. We'll find out shortly whether it's compostable or recyclable. Rather than buying a full bottle of cleaner and shipping all this water, instead you just buy this really small little thing. It's like a tab, I think, and then you put it in an existing bottle. They sell bottles too, but then you're saving all that water that's being shipped. You're not having to ship it from someplace. Ooh, there's like a little puff coming out of it. Okay, this is metallic lined. See, it's got metal on the inside. I don't think that's gonna recycle. Okay, technically the packaging says this packaging is compostable. I'm doing the tear test here. See, it's definitely got like a plastic liner. So I think what they're saying is that this liner is compostable, made out of a compostable plastic. But in my region, they don't accept compostable plastics. And I think if this ended up in the compost, they would definitely look at it and say, that doesn't look compostable to me, and that would be removed. So this is what the tab looks like. I should probably read the instructions. Doesn't have any. It's going to, whoop! I thought it might be like a fun color, but it's not. Just put this in here and then I'll shake it up. It's craft, it looks, I don't know if it's made out of recycled material. It doesn't say whether it is, so it could either just be brown paper that looks like it's recycled, or it could be actual recycled paper. It does say it's compostable. It doesn't say how, whether it's home or municipal compostable, but this is not compostable here because of this plastic liner, and in my region they don't accept compostable plastics. But in good news, at least you don't ship the water. So I'm gonna go do a little cleaning now. Well, first I'm gonna clean up the mess I made just making this stuff. That's it, bye.